You write Java code, click run, and it works. But have you ever wondered actually what happens behind the scenes? What is JVM, what is JRE and JDK? And why does everyone get confused about it? In this video, I'll explain this so clearly that you'll never miss them up again. So let's start. So here you can see a simple Java program, and when I run it, it will just print subscribe code from 0. Here you go. You can see that it prints subscribe code from 0, which you need to do right now. So when you compile a Java file, something interesting happens. The Java compiler does not convert this code directly into machine code. So if I tell you visually, select. So let's say we have a hello.java file, and if we do something like java c hello.java, you will get a hello.class file. Now what is Java C? So Java C is just a Java compiler which comes inside JDK, and it converts the Java file into .class file, which is also known as bytecode. This goes into the JVM, and the JVM converts this into machine code, and so that Java can run on your machine. So what is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Think of it as a virtual computer that runs your Java bytecode. So what JVM does? It converts your .class file into bytecode, and this bytecode is then converted into machine code with the help of JVM. JVM also takes care about the memory management. It has something like garbage collector. Every operating system has its own JVM implementation. For example, if you are using a Windows machine like me, so you will have a Windows JVM. And if you are using a Linux machine, you will have a Linux JVM. So this was all about JVM. Now I'll tell you about JRE and JDK. This is where most people get confused. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and it contains the JVM and the libraries needed to run Java program. JDK on the other hand stands for Java Development Kit, and it contains the JRE and the Java development tools such as Java Compiler, Java Debugger, etc. So the main tools which Java JDK have is a Java C compiler and a Java debugger. And if you want to write code, you need JDK. But if you want to just run that Java program, you need a JRE. For example, just like this code, if you want to write this code on your machine and compile it, you need a JDK. But if you just want to run this program, you just want to run this class file into your machine, you'll just need a Java runtime environment which will provide you a JVM, and that bytecode you can run on your JVM. So Java is called platform independent because of this bytecode only. Bytecode is the same everywhere, only the JVM changes on different operating systems. So let's take a quick recap around that. Java source code becomes the bytecode, JVM runs that bytecode, JDK is for the developers, and JRE is for running Java programs. So in the next video, we'll talk about memory in Java, stack and heaps in a very simple way. And if this video helped you, subscribe for more clear Java explanations. Thank you.